Hey, so if you're looking for the best email marketing tool to use for 2026, here is the breakdown. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to break down the absolute best email marketing tools you need to know about in 2026 and 2025 as we are going to 2026. And I'm going to show you exactly where to find all the comparison in one place so you can make the smartest decision for your business. So here's the thing. Okay, choosing the wrong email marketing platform can cost you thousands of dollars and countless hours of frustration if you are not careful. Okay, but I have found the perfect resource that does all the lifting for you. Okay, you're going to know everything. So head over to emailtester.com. This site is a gold mine. They have tested over 30 email marketing platforms with real experts reviews. Okay, not just fluff, like real reviews and real like numbers. Okay, so here's what makes this site incredible. Okay, they have a complete comparison template you can download for free that I have linked it below. I've already done all the heavy lifting for you, so I've linked the template below that shows you the pricing, the features, automation capabilities, and expert ratings all in one spreadsheet. Okay, you can literally see everything side by side in the spreadsheet below. The link, I have attached it in the link below, so go down below and then you'll find it there. Now let me quickly like tell you which tools are dominating will be dominating in 2026 and are dominating right now 2025 going to 2026. Okay, for beginners on a budget, MailerLite is crushing it with a generous free plan. Okay, it has a free plan that includes automation, so you can use that one too. Okay, for e-commerce businesses, Clavier and Omnisend, I think, is these are the best. Okay, they are the kings with advanced segmentation and predictive analytics. So you can use Klaviyo and Omnisend for e-commerce business, but Klaviyo is the best. Okay, and if you want the best bang for your buck, okay, Brevio offers unlimited emails for their free plan. Okay, just for the free plan, it gives you unlimited emails. But the one thing that I don't like about Brevo, I think the deliverability issues on Brevo, they're not good. So I do not prefer using Brevo so much. Okay, but here's what you really need to know. Okay, email tool tester also runs actual deliverability tests, so you can see which platform actually gets your emails into the inbox versus the spam folders, and that's crucial information that most people overlook and they do not like really go into. So for example, this is the most reliable email services, the overall average email deliverability that I've found from ActiveCampaign, Mail Tester, MailChimp, Constant Contact, Get Response, and all that, right? Others, I have put a link there so you can go and check it out for yourself, the breakdown of it on the site. Okay, they also have a cost calculator that shows you exactly how much each platform will cost you as your list grows. For example, if your list grows to 5,000 subscribers, how much will it cost, like the plan for the platform. Okay, if your list grows to 10,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers, how much will the platform cost? Okay, because pricing can get tricky fast, but it's good. Okay, but the link is in the description. You can go there and check it out for yourself. Okay, some platforms charge you for unsubscribed contacts also. If you don't know about that, which is really the ridiculous and stupid, you're going to fall into that and you're gonna spend a whole lot of money for nothing, right? So for example, like ActiveCampaign, the price is 99 for 50,000 emails, 5,000 recipients. It gives you the review of the platform and stuff like that. HubSpot 25,000, the price, the recipients. Also Beehive, MailChimp, we have Omnisend 60,000 emails, our recipients 5,000, price is 80. So go to emailtester.com. I have put the link in the description. It is also in a Google Doc. Everything is there. Okay, right now grab the free comparison template. The comparison template, I've just linked it in on to you. Okay, use the reviews to find your perfect email marketing tool. The link is in the description. Again, don't waste money on the wrong platform. Okay, when all the research has already been done for you, it's there, it's done, and a lot of experts have put their time into it. So don't take this for granted and just go and check it out. The link is in the description. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and peace. See you on the next one.